Welcome to EEZBOOK, where you're greeted with a seamless experience. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. If you already have a login ID, simply navigate to the Go to EEZBOOK tab to proceed further. To select Control Panel. To select Setup. To select Module-wise Setup. Select Budget. Select Budget Year. A budget year is a designated time frame during which organizations or individuals plan and allocate financial resources for various activities and expenditures. It typically spans a 12-month period and serves as the foundation for setting financial goals, allocating funds to different departments or projects, and monitoring expenses and revenues. The budget year is crucial for organizations to ensure effective financial management and achieve their objectives efficiently. To view the status of the budget year, the user can navigate to the In Progress tab. If the user wishes to close the budget year, they can do so by clicking on the Close Budget Year option. If the user wishes to add a new budget year, they should click on the New Budget Year tab and proceed to add the new budget year. This allows the user to seamlessly add and subsequently close budget years as needed. In summary, while the budget year focuses on forward-looking financial planning and resource allocation, the financial year revolves around retrospective accounting and reporting activities.